So welcome students. In this question you're asked to find the area bounded by the curves x plus 2y square is equal to 0, x plus 3y square is equal to 1. So first let us try to draw the graphs of this. So the first curve is nothing but 2y square is equal to minus x, or y square is equal to minus x by 2. This is a horizontal parabola, but it's a left-handed parabola because you have a minus here. Y square is equal to plus something times x is a horizontal parabola facing right. This is a left-handed parabola. So you have a parabola going like this. So this is y square is equal to minus x by 2. Next, the next curve is 3y square is equal to 1 minus x. So y square is equal to minus 1 by 3 times x minus 1. So this is also a left-handed parabola, but the vertex is 1, 0. So if you try to draw the graph of this, the graph of this is a parabola which is a left-handed parabola with the vertex 1, 0. Vertex is 1, 0, and this also goes like this. The lattice rectum of the previous parabola is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 3. That means this parabola is still thinner. So if you draw this parabola, it will look something like this. So this goes like this, and they might intersect at some points here and here. So you're asked to find this area. That's the area bounded by these two curves. So to do this, first let us find the point of intersections. So to find the point of intersections, x is equal to minus 2y square is equal to 1 minus 3y square. This implies y square is equal to 1, y is equal to plus or minus 1. So y is equal to plus or minus 1. And y is equal to plus or minus 1 implies my x is equal to minus 2. So one of the point of intersection is minus 2, plus 1, and the other point of intersection is minus 2, minus 1. They intersect symmetrically above x-axis and below x-axis. You're asked to find this area. So to find this area, the easiest method is to look at this in terms of y-axis. You have to look this area in terms of y-axis. So if you look at it in terms of y-axis, this area is nothing but integration from minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 to plus 1, right side curve minus left side curve. The right side curve is this curve. So when you are integrating with respect to y-axis, if you are integrating the area horizontally, you have to express the curve as x is equal to something. So x is equal to 1 minus 3y square. That's the rightmost curve. Minus the leftmost curve is x is equal to minus 2y square. Minus 2y square dy. That is equal integration minus 1 to 1. 1 minus 3y square plus y square. That is 1 minus y square dy. So obviously this is an even function. So this can be written as 2 times 0 to 1, 1 minus y square dy. That is equal to 2 times y minus y cube by 3 from 0 to 1. That is equal to 2 times 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3 is the right answer. Thank you.